Good evening, everybody. This Sunday evening. Got done watching the race. Christopher Bell won the race. And I've got my mom's birdhouse put up in the tree. Put 2 coats of sealer on it. Waiting on some birds now to get in it. Hatch some little bitties, huh? By the way, y'all, Stephen Hodges, the one that built the birdhouse for my mom. He's got a YouTube channel. He does a lot of different things on. I encourage y'all to go watch him. He's a good old guy. You can go to my friends list and look him up. I've posted a bunch of his videos on timeline. But this birdhouse come all the way from Dublin, Georgia. But it's there and ready to go now. Waiting on some birds. It's a nice day out here this evening. Got a little bit of rain earlier. One of my mom's flowers here. Dirt road. Come here, dirt road. Y'all make dirt road. Right here's dirt road. Hey, dirt road. Everybody, hey. Right over there's Blackjack. Blackjack's dirt road's daddy. The black one's the brown one's daddy. But if anybody wants any of these birdhouses built, he'll build you one, and it only charges shipping and handling. You can put in a little extra money if you want to send them for building you one. That's what Mom done, you know. Takes time, you know, and plus the nails and cutting the stuff out to make them. But I thought it was a nice looking birdhouse. He burnt the front of it and the sides of it, and painted the top of it. Y'all have a good evening, and that's all she wrote for today, guys. Later.